Michael Wayne Goins, you here?
Yes, sir. Michael Goins here.
He just jumped in. This is the state of Michigan versus Michael Wayne Goins, case number SX430-10431. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Goins, please state your name for the record.
Michael Goins.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date time set for a pretrial. Well, no, it's not. It's set for a pretrial on February the 2nd. So you're here early. Do you have valid registration, sir?
Yes, sir.
Let's see what you have, please. Hold it up. Hold on. Let me get you on the screen here. All right. Very well. Let me see. That is. Do you have that? You can put it down. All right. I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. Nothing further, sir. Very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Is the Littleton? I saw you had a. Was that you that sent me that stuff, Littleton?
Guy's a fucking dick, bro.
So forever.
Who is that? Mr. Goins.
Oh.
You're in contempt of court, Mr. Goins. I'm going to give you another court date. Mr. Goins? Mr. Goins? Come on now. Come on back. I heard what you said. Too bad you didn't say that after you left the room. All right. So I'll give you another. You what?
I don't know how to get back to it. Hang on.
No, you're right here, right now.
Okay, I see you.
Is that Mr. Goins?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I heard your comment, sir.
I know, sir. I'm sorry.
And too bad you didn't make that comment before you left the room, and I had to hear it.
I understand.
Because now we're going to deal with it, all right?
I understand, sir.
All right, stand by. We'll take you last, because I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how that can, how I can be what you said I am.
I understand.
All right, Danny. All right, Mr. Goins.
Hello?
Well, what did you call me?
Your Honor, I apologize. I'm sorry.
What did you call?
I didn't call you anything. I thought the phone was off.
No, that's not what you called. You did call me something, and you thought the phone was off, and you didn't think I heard you. So let me hear what you called.
A dick, Your Honor.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought.
Your Honor, please accept my apology, man. I'm sorry, man. I don't need these problems, please.
No, I didn't bring the problems on you. I tried to do the best I could. I tried to do the best I could, just like I've done everybody else, to get everybody out of here efficiently and give them a fair deal and give them a fair opportunity to be heard. And you're the type that seems like you throw the stone and hide your hand.
No.
Because when you thought that you weren't, when I wasn't listening, then you go and call me these expletives. I don't know why. It's not like I don't know why. I don't know why you feel that way. But you only did that because you thought I wasn't listening. Do I need to put you in a breakout? Do I need to put him in a breakout room with you, Mr. Berry?
Well,
I think I need to put him in a breakout room because I have right now. We can have a contempt hearing because in the court's presence, he laid out some very descriptive expletives and calling me that. I don't know what I did to him. Maybe he doesn't like the way I run my show. But
Your Honor,
have a conversation with the lawyer.
All right, sorry.
And
wait in the breakout room, Mr. Goins. Let's go with Mr. Gaines, Mr. Berry.
yes, Your Honor, we are ready to deal with this situation, and if the court would permit me to call as a witness Mrs. Goins, who was present.
This is not a trial or anything right now. But I'm just going to hear what you have to say. Go ahead. I'll allow Ms. Goins to speak if you need to.
Your Honor, the situation is this: the Goins have a 20-year-old autistic child who, in the last 24 hours, has been very, very difficult. And when Mr. Goins spoke those words, he was directing his comments to his wife about the difficulties they've had over that. This comment came in regard to his son's conduct and his difficulty in dealing with him overnight and over the past 24 hours. And that's the situation. And inadvertently, obviously inadvertently, the channel was open to the court. But these comments were not directed at the court.
I don't agree. I think Mr. Goins is all but admitted they were directed to the court.
Your Honor, will we back off with Mr.
We're not on the record. We're not on the record. We'll settle this off the record. I think that Mr. Goins already all but admitted that he was speaking of the court when he said that. I get it. You know, dealing with autistic, child is autistic, and having to deal with that can be a heavy burden. Also being in court, especially all morning, especially the long docket that we've had today. It's not first place that anybody wants to be, but you know, everybody's got something to deal with. I got a mom that's sitting in grave condition in the hospital right now that I am dealing with doctors and dealing with hospitals and dealing with these things and navigating these things. But I control my frustrations, and I especially don't, even the people that I think have, or that aren't really giving me a fair opportunity. If I'm gonna call them that, I'm gonna call them that to their face. And I'm not gonna inadvertently call them that when I thought that the camera was off. That's just how I do. So, you know something, Mr. Goins, I'm gonna let it go at that and just move on from it. It probably is not the first time, and I'm sure it certainly won't be the last time, but it's not going to change the way I operate. I believe that I am very fair, and I'm definitely very compassionate about people going through their situations. I'm gonna pray for you and your wife and your family. I'm gonna wish you a very happy new year. And I hope you can control your frustrations a little bit better this time, all right?
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're free to leave, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Are we ready for Mr. Larry?